Would you pay me to create a tool that you can use and I can start making a lot of money on by selling it to a lot of other customers? That's the way enterprise software has often been dealt with. Some client says we have a challenge. They find a consultancy that will help them build this. They may get a discount on creating this tool because the consultancy can see the benefit of it. But obviously, depending on who has ownership of it and how that is dealt with. And from a consultancy perspective, it is just a zero risk investment. You get money upfront to build a product, and you can then sell it to other customers, and you have the ability to actually scale it however you liked it. It does have some challenges because the client is always right, and you need to build a tool that they like, and not necessarily a tool that is broader able to be used. So if they may have a Jira and you want to fit it so it fits tightly with the Jira integration or whatever, and it would be difficult, it may be difficult configuring with something else. I started down the other way around, which is not as attractive. It does cost quite a lot of money to upfront invest in creating a tool based on the idea that I have, understanding that there's 10,000 customers on SAP PI, PO, and they would need this tool at some point in time. So if I could just get a few % of that would be useful. It also gave me the option actually to decide the architecture myself and how the evolution of the product is. What kind of feature is it that make most sense in the generic perspective and not the specific customer perspective. So I think it does create some advantages that I have more freedom to create the correct product. I will still need to say, okay, we have this customer that has this challenge. We can support the tool but we will need a few fixes, or we'll need to do something around it. And then we'll have to see, is that something we will do for payment, or as we have done with most of the bug fixes or feature requests, we've just said, well, it's included in your subscription, so go nuts, enjoy this new feature. But let's see how that's gonna scale and what kind of feature requests that we're getting, and how customers want this to prioritize, because I guess that's also a part of it. Do we want these features now, or can we wait? But yeah, I guess it's an interesting observation, which approach is better, and what will give you the best products. It really depends, I guess, on a lot of factors. I would obviously have loved it, but I also love the freedom and can decide what I want to improve with the product myself during the development process. If you need a tool to manage your SAP PI, CPI, API management, and if a customer requested open connectors, then yeah, go to figaf.com/IoT and try it out and see how easy it is actually to get started with this tool. Thank you.